Welcome to Electronic Fingerprinting, a guide for Florida guardians. Who is required to submit to digital fingerprints? And any individual who wants to register initially as a professional guardian through the Office of Public and Professional Guardians. Each employee of a professional guardian who has a fiduciary responsibility to award. Fiduciary responsibility will be explained in the next slide. And any registered professional guardian must submit new digital fingerprints every 5 years. This is according to Florida Statute 744.3135. Fiduciary responsibility means that any employee of a professional guardian who has the ability to direct any withdrawal or investment from a ward's bank or investment account. Any employee who supervises the care of the ward under the supervision of the guardian. Any employee who makes any healthcare decision on behalf of the ward, and any employee who has in-person contact with the ward more than 5 times in any 30-day period. You can find the rules and regulations for professional guardian registration on the Office of Public and Professional Guardians website. When you click on Professional Guardian Registration, it will take you to the next page, which is a step-by-step guide for the registration process. In the 4th paragraph under Fingerprinting and Background Check, you will see the website for identi2go.com. This is the agency that does the fingerprinting. Click on that website and it will take you directly to the page where you can click on Get Fingerprinted. In the middle of the next page, you will see a box that includes states. Scroll down until you come to Florida. Click on that and then click on Go. The next page is information, and you will scroll down to the bottom of that page to a box called Digital Fingerprinting. Click on that box. You will then come to a page where you need to select the agency. Scroll down the list until you come to Professional Guardian. Click on Professional Guardian. The next page will ask what county are you applying for. Scroll down until you come to your county. Click on that. You will then be asked to put in your zip code. This will take you to the scheduling box and it will show you the closest stores or agencies where you can get fingerprinted, and it will have a list of days and times. When you see the one that you wish, click on the schedule. You will then be asked to scroll down the time that you wish to come in to be fingerprinted. Find the time and then click on Continue. You will then be asked to fill out the application form, including any aliases or maiden name that you may have had. For example, if your name is James William Smith, you may have used Jim Smith or J.W. Smith or Jimmy Smith. Continue filling out the form, including the address and your preferred method of contact. You will also be asked to fill out demographic information about yourself, including your driver's license and your social security number, and if you are employed by an agency or a professional guardian. Once you have completed the form, click on Submit. You will then be asked if all of the information is correct to click on Go. This will take you to the page where you are going to click on how you are going to pay for this. So you will need to click on Continue to U.S. Bank ePay Be sure to check under the agency that it does say professional guardian and it does have your county listed. The next page will ask you how you want to pay, whether it will be by a check or a credit card or a billing account, and you can select which one you would like. It will then give you a small information page about the collection, and you will be asked to click on Continue. The final page is the billing page, and here you will have to put in your information for billing purposes and whether you are using a checking or savings account or a credit card. Finally, you will get your confirmation page, and it will have a confirmation number. Print out this page and you will take this page and your driver's license to the location that you have chosen. I hope this has helped, and thank you for watching.